Good evening to all. Today I am learning about should. I should learn every day and regularly. I should learn new words. I should learn new sentences. I should help poor people. I should make new word and new sentence. I should read the book. I should help them. I should help them. I should poor people. I should play cricket or football. I should game. You can practice every day about should. Many words with make sentence adjust with should. Thanks to all.